Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very well. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through the Appian Designer. So this is Appian Designer basically, and in the previous class we have seen that how to create an application and security groups. So in previous class we have created this test application. Once you click on that, you will be in your application and these are the objects in your application. These are the different types of object types, AI skill objects which is used for creating any AI related functionality, and these are connected system which is used in integrations. These are constant data store which is used to hold tables, and data type, these are uh, kind of tables, and decision objects, basically it is used for if else conditions. Document object expression rules, which we can customize everything using C language or C programming. Feeds, and these are the folders, these are groups, these are integration objects. Interface, interface is like a visual component. This is a portal, process model, query rule, record type, report. So we will discuss all these things in this in the coming tutorials. Today I will just walk you through the different types of objects and give you overview of the Appian Designer. So as you can see, these are the groups. Once you click on this group, so you will only be able to see the groups only. And if you click on folder, so whatever the folder objects are there, they will be displayed. If you click on constant, so only constant will be, but currently there is no constant, so they will not be displayed. If you click on data types, only data types will, but there is no data type we have created, so it is empty row. This is the build part where we can see all our objects in the application. This is the explore part where we can get an overview of different type of objects and what are the different objects created under these. This is the deployment part, which will tell us that if something has been deployed to this environment, so it will be displayed in this incoming tab, and if something has been deployed from this environment to another, so it will be displayed in outgoing environment. This is the monitor tab. It's loading very slowly. Basically, in monitoring tab, what we can see health check of the application objects. We can model the process models. We can monitor them, which process is running fast and which expression rule is running fast and which is running slow and what is the cause. So we and what is the status of the record sync status. All this we can see in the monitor part. It's running very slow, so might be some network condition. Let's go to the build part. Yeah, here if you want to create any object, you can click on new. If you want to create record type and process model, process report, robotic task, robotic pole, interface. So all these objects are can be created from this new button. If you want to add some existing objects, like in some other application, something has been created, so we can add from this. Add existing application content. If you want to add folder, so we can add from here. If we want to add some existing objects, we can add from this option. This is option to export the app if you want to download and export, and so that it can be deployed to another end. So this is option to export the app. In community version, it is disabled. This is for importing the application package. In community version, this is also disabled. Compare and deploy is also used for deployment, but since this is community version, so we cannot see here. View packages, we can see all the packages here. What are the packages has been created? Basically, packages are the names or which holds the objects that needs to be deployed. So first of all, a package needs to be created from this create button with the name and description. And once the package is created, the objects can be added here. And once the objects are added, it can be deployed. Yeah, so this is all about the overview of the Appian Designer. In the next classes, we will see how to create interface and record type, and we will see one by one each of the objects. So I hope you are able to get an idea what is Appian Designer and what are the different components in Appian Designer. And thank you for watching my channel, and please to like, subscribe, so it will give me motivation to bring more such videos. Thank you.